Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyero, and if you've been here like always, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about this crochet. Here I'm going to show you how to crochet, how to maintain, and how to style it. In other words, I'm going to do one style. So without no further ado, let's head to the video. So let's start this tutorial. First of all, those are the basic types of gels I was using to lay my edges. The Gorilla Glue works pretty nicely, but if you feel like it doesn't hold for so long, you can use the Go-To-Be gel on top to make it lay for longer and better. So after laying my edges, I'm going to be doing my hair, but I wanted to show some of you how I lay my edges because I get some questions on how do you even lay the edges. So I pull them back at first because sometimes messy edges makes your hairstyle look messy too. So I just pull the edges back, then I'm going to have my kind of dramatic edges afterwards, and that is just all. This is something visual. I don't have to explain every step on how to lay edges. You can just see how I'm doing it. So as we do this, I also detangled my hair before installing to save time, because I came to notice that every time I detangle the hair as I install, it takes a lot of time. And this is the hair actually, because I detangled like I think a day before, because while creating content you have to prepare at least a day early so that while you're creating, your day can go smoothly. Then I went ahead and moisturized my hair. So I used the Rise Water Mist spray, and this is the best thing that has happened to me, because trust me, whenever you feel like your hair is dry, you just use this spray, then you apply oil on top and you're good to go. So I do this at least once a day, every day on my cornrows, or rather if I'm having any hairstyle that I'm having, I'll be spraying the mist, then put on oil on top, and it's done. So this is the deep wave crochet braids that I used, and the color is in 230, and I was not really sure about this color, but the moment I started installing this hair, I was like, damn, this is the color, this is my color. So I started doing the crochet braids from the back going towards the front. As you can see, my cornrow pattern at the back, I had a straight line so that if I wanted to tie my hair up, it's going to be neat and easy. I'm not going to be having weird cornrows showing at the back. So the first line at the back, make sure you crochet that first line carefully and make it full so that when you tie your hair upwards, it's going to look nice. So yeah, that is just it. I think everything else is visual. I don't have to explain. I have plenty videos on how to crochet. We are finally done and not done at the same time, so I do not like it when the knots are popping, as you can see. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it look more natural after doing your crochet braids on the front. And also, if you want a more natural look, make sure the front has small strands if you want it to look more natural, because if you have bigger strands of braid, you're definitely going to have big knots and they're going to show. So I cut it around the roots slightly. Do not go all into it, because you'll cut the whole braid. So you cut slightly, then back comb or brush the roots around your hairline, and it's going to look very, very natural. You guys just wait and see how it's going to turn out. It's just so beautiful. I like it. Very, very beautiful. You can already see the difference after back combing and all that. So I also did this around this side part, because it's definitely going to show knots if I decided to do a side part. So I'll also back comb and cut it bluntly and all that. So I'm showing you guys how to maintain this hair, because most people are like, does it tangle? These curly braids definitely tangle. Natural hair tangles, any hair tangles. So maintenance is key. So you can spray it with water mixed with conditioner, detangle slowly. You can cut the ends if they are showing, tie it up in in a bun, then wear your satin bonnet. That is how you maintain it while going to sleep, because if you maintain it like this before sleeping, it's obviously going to be easier for you to style it in the morning and all that. So that is the trick. Guys. Have a satin bonnet, because it definitely comes in handy, especially with protective hairstyles. It helps a lot. I got my bonnet from Natural Hair Kenya. You can check them out, and I will put a link here on the description box. So now I'm going to cut this hair. In case you like it short, I'm going to show you how it looks when it's cut. So I think on this video, I think I cut it too short, but it didn't look so bad. But I also liked how it looked. I didn't want it to be short long. I wanted it to be short bobby short. I don't know if you understand. So first of all, you patch your hair into two, then you tie a rubber band or a hairband or a string up to the length where you want it to reach, then you cut it. That is the trick with this. Hey guys, this is the end of this video, and I really enjoyed filming this video because I know you have learned something, and I've shown you a couple of few tricks. I only used 4 packets of this hair. I only remained with like, I think half, sorry, I used 3.5 a packet. Let me show you the remaining piece of hair I have. So this is the only remaining piece of hair that I have. This is the trick. If you want to avoid tangles, you can part big portions of hair while crocheting. I had big strands while crocheting, but on the front I had small strands. Bigger curls, defined curls, I think they last for longer, but if you want a more combed out look, you can have smaller crochet braids while doing the crochet. And these crochet braids obviously tangle, because they tangle like natural hair. You can't just stay with your own natural hair like that, sleep with it and not care for it and let it grow or improve. It has to tangle. It has to tangle, loves. It has to. So make sure you take care of your hair. You can use the pineapple method to tie it up like I did, or rather you can have 4 strands of chunky twist, then put on your bonnet, then you are good to go. So hopefully we are going to be having at least 1 video a week. Next week I'm going to be dropping another video. Yes, I'm going to spoil you guys. And I'm going to try and work so hard and avoid procrastination. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so you can watch my shorts videos. I have a lot of shorts videos. Till our next video, guys. Bye. Kisses.